Alright, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia cards. OMG, it's Gamera. Travis, good box 13 of Playbook. And kickoff packs. Let's start with the kickoff pack. Or, Travis, you want me to open the kickoff pack or ship it to you sealed? We'll start with the box, and then you can answer that, and we'll figure it out. Rip it? Okay. This stuff is way better than last year's. Alright, we'll rip the pack. We got extra cards in here. I haven't had a pack with 3 cards. We got LaShawn McCoy, Jarvis Landry, and yep, out of 50. 26 of 50. Tyler, not Taj, Boyd. Landry and McCoy. These things are ComC gold. Even these, they sell for like $1 on a ComC. Alright, looks like we got a thick one. We should have 2 booklets. Yep, we got 2 booklets. Good luck. We've not hit a patch booklet besides that other one. Out of 199, Tannehill. We got Corey Coleman. Hot route. Hot route. I don't know what that means. Hot route. Just go stand over there. Corey Coleman out of 199. This is not going to be autographed. 50 of 149. Cardell Jones. Dual jersey. I got really excited when I saw these colors. Just the wrong shade of blue. Alex Collins. Out of 199. Wrong Seattle running back. Sorry, Travis. Jersey, patch material, autograph, 33 of 199. Oh, maybe you like him then. Okay. I know CJ ProSize is blowing up right now, though. 33 of 199. Still no patch autographs from there. No 101. Nothing super short printed. So, Travis, let me know if you want to do any more. It is your case until you tell me to stop.